No, one day I was doing a Chiefs game in Devon. So I gave a penalty against Chiefs.
Yeah.
And then Shaba dive on the other side. Karai play on. Now Katsande Utlakonar. If you give a penalty there, why don't you give another one there? I used to Shaba dive. No, you must give another one there.
Hey, but I'm sure Katsande was a problem to deal with, eh?
Hey, Katsande was
especially
a
with his
problem.
tackles also.
Katsande
because
was
he had
a
one
problem.
job in the midfield.
Katsande was a problem, but the one thing I like about him, he listens. Because one day we met off the field. So I told him, Katsande, your tackles, when you kick, you must make sure you get the ball. If you don't get the ball, that tackle of yours is either reckless or excessive force. So now when it's between reckless and excessive force, it means you might be sent off. And then after we spoke, Katsande got 2 consecutive men of the match. With these tackles, clean tackles.
But he would get the ball.
He will get the ball.
Yeah.
So I met him. I was doing Chiefs on the other day. I said, yeah, you owe me. Yeah, I gave you a tip. Now you're using it to get a man of the match. No, I must get a share of the man of the match. No, that was an advice, a free advice. But no, what I like is he does listen, and it makes football easy for him. He was no longer collecting. But one time, he before Modi moved to Chiefs, so I was doing Chiefs and Arrows. He kicked Modi outside the field of play. Outside the field of play. Now, Arthur took him out. Then when he took him out, end of the match, he says, you took me out. Because I said, Arthur, Katsande.
Oh, I see.
You kicked someone outside.
Were you gonna book him?
No, I gave him a yellow card.
You gave him a yellow card.
But outside the field of play, that person is no longer thinking. So I had to call the coach. Arthur, Katsande, outside the field of play, kicking.
Because the red card is coming.
The red card is coming. Arthur took him out immediately. So when he took him out, apparently he told him, no, I took you out because you were going to get a red card and cost me. So now I ask him at the end of the match, Katsande, how do you kick somebody outside? He said, hey, Daddy boy was giving him more problems. Even if I did not kick him today, I was still going to kick him inside.